Hi, what does yoga mean to me? Yes, as everyone says, yoga is a body mind soul connection. For me, the experience towards yoga made me to connect deeper to myself. So it helped me to bring lot of awareness of what I am and how I am. And that really made me to understand and overcome lot of fear, anxiety, depression, and made me happy every second of my life. And yoga really helps me to bring lot of positivity in me, so I was able to feel good in myself. So yoga had a deeper connection with yourself, and if you want to experience that, just practice yoga every day with the connection with your body, mind, and soul. And you can understand what is the difference happening to yourself. Like me, just be happy always and enjoy every second of your life. We are coming up with the 21 days yoga challenge, which is starting on Feb 1st to 21st, where we have asana, pranayama, and meditation practice, where teachers will be helping you as well as correcting you during your practice. And enjoy the 21 days yoga challenge.